Okay, now Amna, you can share your screen with us.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning and Assalamu alaikum. I'm Amna Safar from class 4B and today my topic is reducing spreadsheet. Okay, electronic spreadsheet is an application used to perform numeric calculations and to analyze and organize numeric data. Worksheet is the area where you enter data.
Amna,
Okay.
better loudly,
Yes.
please.
Worksheet is the area where you enter data. Workbook. This is the file in which worksheet is contained in. Window is the portion of the worksheet that we see is called window. As we cannot see the entire spreadsheet on our screen, so what the portion of the worksheet that we see is called window. Columns and rows. Columns are the vertical division of the worksheet. It is indicated by a letter. Rows are the horizontal division of the worksheet. It is indicated by a number like this. These are the rows in the spreadsheet. These are the columns in the spreadsheet, and these are the rows. Okay, here. Cell. A cell is the area where row and column meet. This is the cell where row and column are meeting. Okay. Here. Active cell. Active cell refers to currently selected cell in the spreadsheet. Like here, over here, I've selected this cell. This is the active cell. Okay. Cell pointer. When an active cell has a highlighted cell boundary called a cell pointer. Range. Range refers to group of cells. Cell entry is data inserted in a cell is called cell entry. Like over here in the Excel, I insert data. I write Amna. This is called cell entry. Okay. Values are the numbers entered in a cell. Like these are the values numbers entered in a cell. Okay, a formula performs calculation using value from other cells. We can choose the formula we need from the function attribute group on the formula tab. When a formula is entered into a cell, it must begin with equals to sign. To add the values in the cells P2 and P3, we inserted the formula P2 equals to P2 plus P3. When a value is changed, the spreadsheet programs automatically recalculate the other values. Okay, like this. Here we are on the formula tab, and here I've inserted the data. And here I've select the data, and here I'm gonna to click the auto sum like this. Here in Microsoft Excel, I go over here. I want its total to come. Okay, so here I select this all. Okay, here now I go in the formula tab. Here I will click the auto sum button and do sum and click on this sum, and here this sum has automatically come with me come to me. Okay, here we will do the same method to add the other values too. So now let's do it. Okay, here here charts row. We can insert graphs or chart in a worksheet to present numerical data in visual form. Various tools are available in the charts group on the insert. We click on the top left corner cell and drag the mouse to include the entire range of cells. Then click on the chart to view the different options. We can make line, column, bar, or bar charts to illustrate data. Like here, I've made a chart, and these are the names I selected, and I made a chart on it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Ma'am,
Very good, beta. Excellent. Excellent. Keep it up. Very good. You just do the little bit mistake, but outstanding your presentation. I just do clapping for you. Good. Superb.